Hi, it's Alexa from Job Pedal, and here we have Jason from Secureguard. Now tell us a little bit more about Secureguard.
Secureguard's been in operation for 12, 13 years. We run a majority of the licensed venues in the western suburbs of Sydney. So basically our job's to supply doormen and RSA marshals to service the venues to watch out for intoxicated people, unruly people. Also to help the managers and bar staff picking up glasses and keeping the place nice and tidy and clean. It's like obviously we're a preventative measure. So if you have those people that come in the door, look like they've had enough to drink or got the wrong attitude or even dressed in an inappropriate manner, it's our job to ask them to come out next time.
Yes, fantastic. That's great. You guys are you got to be the frontline strongmen.
We are.
Yes.
Exactly. We definitely are the front line.
Yes. And so in the interview process, what is that like for a security officer?
When employing staff?
Yes.
Okay. So, look, it comes out in... I've been doing this for about 30 years. Run hundreds of venues. Was operations manager for 2000 Olympics.
Wow.
With MAS. 1,500 staff, 65 sites, 19 managers. And it was 24 hours a day. It was pretty chaotic.
That's insane.
So basically, from a management point of view, we're looking for people. For me, it's someone with a heart. So it's customer service. It's knowing how to talk to people when they come. When you've got customers coming in through the door, because at the end of the day, when someone's coming to your venue, you want them to come in and feel welcomed and appreciated, and have a good time. So it's a case of, hi, how you going? If they're they look 25 and younger, it's asking for ID. Once you've done all those processes, you open up the door and you say, have a good night.
Yes.
And what that does for the customer is it actually lifts them up a little bit. So when they come inside, they feel not enlightened, but they just feel loved or welcomed or whatever else. And it makes their night a lot better. So when they're walking out that door, they're usually like, see you, mate, take care, yada, yada. That's a number one requirement, just to be
kindness,
very customer service orientated.
Right.
But obviously you've got to have that presence so people understand that if you're going to step sideways or do something silly or take something out of hand, they need to understand, we need to explain to them that, look, we're not going to cop that behaviour.
Yeah.
The door's there. If it's going to continue, you're going to be asked to leave. If you don't leave, we're going to bar you.
Right.
Or the police will be called or whatever the scenario may be.
That's really great. And are you currently looking for security officers?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. And how do they go about applying with you?
Just give me a call on the 1300 number, 1300 808 257, or they can go to our website, which is secureguard.com or .com.au, and just send us a message. We'll tee up a time when we're both available and have a chat.
Fantastic. Awesome. Well, I'm sure if any security officers are looking for a really great company like Secureguard, they will contact you.
Yeah. We've got some great staff. We've got about 80 staff.
Yes.
Probably about 30-40% have been with us over a decade.
Wow.
So we're pretty good. I think we've got a 20% turnover rate at the moment, which is pretty common in hospitality.
Yes.
But yeah, we've got some great boys, great mix of boys and girls. We've got a lot of girls as well. We do welcome a lot of female guards because we've got. It's good to have a female with a couple of guys to have that mix. Yeah, so we've got some great venues and great people to work with.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, thank you for coming today, Jason.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.